Hai, semeton brembe kabar, mudahan tetap sehat tiang ken hagen, ilek Kanada, dendek lupak tonton terus video ke tampiasi semeton. Hey, my name's Ken, and this is my dad. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Randy.
And we're talking about daily activities today. So, Randy, what do you do when you wake up in the morning?
Yeah, well, first thing in the morning, I usually drink a couple glasses of water and then go exercise.
Nice. What do you do after your exercise?
After exercising, I eat breakfast. And then after eating breakfast, I get ready for work. How about you, Cass?
What I usually do is I wake up, go to the bathroom, and then I drink some water, eat some breakfast, and then I get ready for work. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I eat dinner.
Nice.
What do you do after work?
After work, I usually eat dinner as well. And then after that, I usually exercise, go to the gym. Right now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the gyms are closed, so I've been working out at home. But yeah, and then after that, I usually have some free time before I go to bed. What do you usually do after work?
I already told you. I eat dinner.
Okay, after dinner, what do you usually do?
After dinner, I take a shower.
Take a shower. Nice.
And go to bed.
and then after the shower, you go to bed. That's what I do too. I usually end the day with a shower, brush my teeth, clean up, and then I go to bed. Alrighty.
Did I mention that I always eat a banana in the morning?
I think you did. maybe not.
I eat a banana before I exercise.
That's not really that important. But anyways, alrighty, that was it, Fami, and your students. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it's helpful.
All right.
Peace.
Today, we'll try to learn about daily activity. So, daily activity you can do every day, and then you usually do every time. Like the first one is take bath. Okay, take bath. Mandi. Get breakfast. Sarapan. Get breakfast. Sarapan. Get lunch. Makan siang. Get dinner. Makan malam. Go to school. Pergi ke sekolah. Study English. Belajar bahasa Inggris. Go to bed. Tidur. Oke, Nina bobo ya. Ini yang sering kita lakukan dalam kesehari-harian kita, sehingga dalam bahasa Inggris ini disebut dengan daily activity ya. Disebut apa? Apa? Daily? Ya, daily activity. And now, if you want to know about what they are doing or what your friend do, you can give some questions. These are the question. If you want to know about what your friends do, like seperti the first one, yang pertama, what do you usually do in the morning? Okay, ini artinya apa yang Anda biasa lakukan di pagi? Ya, so what do you do in the morning? Apa yang kalian lakukan pada saat pagi? Oke. Kalau mandi apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Oke, very good. And then sarapan? Ya, get. Ya, jangan dibaca breakfast ya. Okay, you have to say breakfast or got breakfast. Okay. Okay, let's say once more. What do you do? What do you usually do? In the morning. And now? The second, what do you do? Before? Go to school. What do you do before go to school? Ya, jadi artinya apa itu? Ya, sebelum pergi ke sekolah, kalian biasanya mengerjakan atau melakukan aktivitas apa? Ya, apa bahasa Inggrisnya mandi? Oke, take bath. And then? Ya. Oke, don't you say what do you do before go to school? Jangan kalian nanti kalau saya tanya apa yang kalian lakukan sebelum pergi sekolah, tik sabun, tik odol, ya. Tik handuk, bukan seperti itu ya. Kita menggunakan bahasa Oke, good. Next, the third. What do you do after dinner? Yeah, once more. What do you do after dinner? Alright, do you know what the meaning? Kalian tahu apa artinya ini? Sebelum makan? Oke, sebelum kalian makan malam, kalian biasanya mengerjakan apa? Sesudah atau sebelum? Oke, after ya, sesudah. Maybe drink coffee and then listen to the music or watch the TV with family, with father and mother maybe. Watching TV, right? Good. Okay, I wanna try to ask you, right? What do you usually do after dinner? Apa yang kamu lakukan setelah makan malam?
Nonton TV.
Ya, kalau nonton TV bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Watching? Watching TV. Okay, very good. Okay, where is Selmat? Selmat. Okay, selamat pagi. Good morning. Okay, well, Selmat. What do you do before go to school? Apa yang kamu lakukan sebelum pergi ke sekolah?
Take bath.
Take bath.
Take bath.
Take bath artinya apa? Fajri, take bath artinya apa?
Mandi.
Apa? Ya, bisa diajar ama-ama. Ya, ama-ama.
Mandi.
An. Ada idi. Mandi. Oke, bahasa Inggrisnya adalah
Mandi.
take bath. Oke. Alright, very good. Thank you. Well, Gunawan, what do you do in the morning? Apa yang kamu lakukan di waktu pagi?
Get breakfast.
Okay, get breakfast. Very good. Okay, class. I think that all our meeting for this morning. Maybe we can continue for the next lesson. And then thank you very much for your time today. And then I hope you are okay. Are you okay? All right. Okay. Have a nice day and thank you.